Jai Hind India's future. Today I am going to tell you an interesting story. This story is not only listening but also for improving spoken English. And uh, I want to tell you if you are beginner in English, this video for you because when I speak, I often use simple sentences in speaking. So you you can understand easily and you can listen and you can practice listening practice and understanding practice. You can watch this video, you can practice everything and uh, so let's start without wasting time. We often we often hear people say that I am with you in case of need. I can help you. I will help you. But reality is different because this because uh, I went to uh, I went to ask for help and when I reached him he because he used to say that I will help you in case of need. You can uh, uh, you can call me and I will help. But when I reached them, he used because he used to say and I asked for help. That I said I need your help. So he said he started to uh, excuse and I didn't think that he will change. So and sometimes I converse with him, please help me and you should you used to say and you said so. But he don't he didn't uh, is help me by and after sometimes we uh, and I had a tip with him because he was he started to tell a lie and after that he went and I also came. When I reached my home, my brother said, where are you, where did you go? So I did uh, I didn't go anywhere, but he said you went anywhere, so tell me. And I said I went him and uh, my brother asked why did you uh, why did you go to him? I said just like that, but he 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 said that I listened you you quarreled with him. I said yes. I said yes, and I had a tip with him, uh, and my brother and my brother scolded. Sorry, my pronunciation is not good, so gradually I will improve. My brother started to scolded me, and that time I was quiet and I was listening. I don't speak anything. I didn't speak anything. Sorry, I didn't speak anything. And after that, I went and my brother said, "You shouldn't go with him. He's not a good person." So, but and I know that he is not good, but he used to say so. This reason, and my brother also asked that who's behaved. Did you go him? I I was quite. I didn't reply and after that, when after some times I went outside, and I met my friend, and I asked him. I asked him, uh, "How are you doing?" And he said, "I'm doing good." And he asked me, "What about you?" And I also say, "I am doing good," and something is not special, something as usual. So, and after I conversed sometimes with him, and in last, I asked him, uh, you are saying I went I would go Banaras. You did you go Banaras? He said, I couldn't go because I had work that time. But come what may, I will go next month. I will go to Banaras next month. I said, okay, no problem. You you can you would go. And he said, I and some friends went. He said, my some friend went, and he said, if you had come to Banaras, we we would have uh, enjoy a lot. But no problem. You are saying, oh, I will go in the next month. So you should you 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 should go, and you have to go. And I converse with him, and after I converse, and and I asked, how is your preparation? And he said, my preparation is going on. And he also asked me, I said, my preparation is not good, because I study, but my concentration is not constant. So this reason, I I can't focus in my study. But I try to focus, and I try to make focus. And I asked, and he said, come what may, I will come what may. And he he started to tell me, come what may, I will go to Banaras, because I want to visit Banaras. And i I said, okay. And he said, you he asked me, do you would you go to Banaras with me? I said, I said, I won't. I will not go to Banaras, because I and I I have never gone to Banaras. And this reason, but this time I don't have time, so I don't. I wouldn't go Banaras. And he asked, you should go with me, because when I will go alone. And I have no friend. But I said, no problem. You can go, and you can talk you can talk. And in and I with conversed a lot with him. And I asked, uh, you should. I asked, you sorry, you are saying, I will get a job in next month. What happened? Did you get a job? He said, I strained every nerve to get a job, but I couldn't get a job. So this reason, he was very sad. I said, no problem. You will try next time, and you can get, because you you strain every nerve to get job, and you all you also get a job, and after sometimes we went our home we went our home, and I went to library, and as well, as soon as I entered in library and light has gone, so I come back my home, and my parents asked me, why did you return why did you return from library? I said there is no light, and I also said there is no light, so I come back my home. I came back home, so no, my friends, no problem. You you can study in home. I said yes, I can study in home, and that's all. It's my story. Sorry, sorry, and it's my story. If you want to learn and practice English, you can see my video, because I am beginner in English, and in 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 the starting I told I told you, if you uh, sorry, you are beginner in English, you this video for you. Yes, this video for you, because I am also beginner, and you can practice with me, and you should make a video, and i I in the last I would like to say that I will make a video come what may, and whatever come may, I will make video, I will practice, and I will strain every nerve to practice English, because I need English, and Jai Hind, that's all. Thanks for my watching video. If you feel that you speak wrong, you can comment me.